Hi guys, Stephanie here. So today I'm going to be reviewing two gorgeous backpacks from Maison de Beaute Marseille. These are the Sancerre backpacks. Yeah, really cool. So I'm going to unbox these and show you what they're like. As you can see, they come in this awesome triangular box, well protected, and they're also nicely packaged inside for protection and security as well. So I'm going to open these up and show you what they're like. So as you can see, I've got two styles and colours here to show you. Both are the Sancerre backpack, but this one is in gris noir. It also has the buckle at the front. Now it's covered over to keep it protected, but it's nice and shiny, easy to open, but it does give you a little bit of extra security and it keeps the flap from flapping around. It's a bit more of a sophisticated finish. It is neatly finished around the edge there, whereas the other bag is a more casual, relaxed style. It's this rich tan colour and it's got the raw leather trim here and the suede underneath. So it is a more casual and more relaxed style. It doesn't have the buckle, so yeah, just gives it a bit of a different look. What's unique about this bag, if I show you at the back, is the multi-adjustable strap system. Now, what you can do here is you can wear this as a normal rucksack, just over your back, over your shoulders. But if you adjust the strap, you can also wear this as a shoulder bag. Now, if you adjust the length of the straps again, you can even wear this as a crossbody bag. And there's also a little handle on the top at the back, so you can actually just carry this in your hand as well. So you get all those multiple options with this little rucksack. It's spacious, it's beautifully designed. You can see the quality of the leather, and these are real, genuine, premium grade leather bags. They're all handmade for additional quality. So yeah, you really are getting something quite unique. Now I'm going to open up the other bag just to show you some features. As I said, this one does have the little buckle for extra security, but when you open it up, it's also got this really sturdy zip at the top. There are poppers on either side, just here, which you can open up for additional space where required. And if I remove the inner packaging, you can see the Maison de Beaute Marseille signature interior fabric. Now, this has a selection of pockets, like all their bags. It's got a secure zip pocket right at the back for anything you really want to keep out of reach and out of sight of everybody. You've got two large spacious compartments. You've got the central zip pocket here for keeping all sorts stored away. You've even got space for a wallet and a phone in some compartments at the front there as well. Now at the back, you've also got, hidden away behind the straps, an additional zip pocket. This is a nice deep pocket, plenty of space there. All the zips are really sturdy. So yeah, you're never going to lose anything in this bag. Now these bags do come in all sorts of different colours. If you check out their website, which is www.mdbm.uk, you'll find all sorts of colours and styles with and without the buckle. I know you guys are going to love these, so do check out their website. This is the fourth, well, these two combined are the fourth bag that I've had from Maison de Beaute Marseille. All of them have been amazing quality and definitely worth the buy. So yeah, you're going to love them. Check it out.